Hey everyone, today I wanted to put together a little series of what I'd like to call hidden gems of American June. I know when you're online shopping, there can be a lot of choices and a lot of content to go through. So there's definitely pieces along the way that you miss. I always think that there are these pieces that look amazing on, and that may not always translate when you're shopping on the site or on Instagram and whatnot. So I wanted to go through some of those pieces today and try them on for you because like I said, I think they look really great on, and I definitely don't want them to ever be overlooked. So we're gonna get started. Okay, I'm back, and this is the Amanda striped jumpsuit. Let me get closer so you can see the material. It's beyond comfortable. It has pockets, which I just love pockets in general. So yeah, easy breezy. It doesn't even have like an opening or tight closure. That's not even necessary. You can just slide it right on, adjustable straps. It's got a belt there that I just like to knot, but I love this piece. I'm wearing the white bralette underneath, as you could see. But yeah, I just went to a hotel for my friend's birthday, and we were like lounging by the pool and wanted to get changed after. And I just threw this on, and I feel like I still looked really cute, but I was comfortable, and I still was like ready to go out without having to get like, you know, all dolled up and stuff when you're at the pool, which can be challenging. This is also great to like lounge around the house. I put this on Sundays, and I feel like during quarantine, comfort is definitely key. And this is one of those pieces where you can look cute while being comfortable, which is also true of the next piece that I'm gonna try on. Okay, so this is actually like my favorite lounge set that I've ever owned. This is the Alley crossover knit top with matching knit pants. Not only is like the color so fun, it's got thumb holes, which I don't know why, but I love. It crosses over, so the top crosses over in the front, as you can see here, crosses over. And then you've got that crossover extending around to the back. It's cropped in length, and then these are the matching pants. So, you know, you could wear them lower, you could wear them higher. The length is, you've got some good length to play with. They're a bit wide leg as well. So let me back up so you can see. So see, I mean, beyond comfortable, and I'm just obsessed with this outfit. So I'm gonna switch things up next because depending where you're at, restaurants may be opening again, and I know that you want to get back out there, and so let's bring back some cute brunch outfits because I miss going out to brunch. So I'm going to show you two really cute brunch outfits that I love. So now I have on the Jennifer minty crop with matching skirt. So it's this really beautiful set, and I feel like the color doesn't pop out as much online, like on a device, but in person, it's beautiful. It's just this really great mint color. I love like the sleeves and the front tie here. It's adorable. And the skirt is smocked and then ruffles, and it's a bit high-waisted. So let me just show you. So here's the top, and then this is the skirt. And it's like really stretchy, so there's no need for like a closure or anything. So it's really comfortable as well. I mean, so cute. So this is the Jennifer set. There's one more outfit I want to show you. All right, so last piece I wanted to show you is the Audrey chiffon dress. It's a really sweet wrap dress. I love the sleeves. It's got the little cap here. These are adjustable straps. I am wearing the bralette underneath. You don't have to necessarily. It is lined, so you could see. But I just feel like when you're wearing a wrap dress and it doesn't have an additional snap, I feel a little more comfortable with a bralette, or even a cute bandeau that went across would totally work. So I just love like the very subtle little black polka dots. I love the neckline and how the ruffles kind of continue down. Like I said, it is lined, which is great. So it's not see-through at all. And I'll just show you. But yeah, this is so cute. I like to wear a fun like sun hat with it and wear it out. Like I said, I think it's more of a day dress, but hey, you can totally rock some black booties. And I actually have like this black wool hat that could transition it as well. But this is what I like to call a hidden gem for sure. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video of hidden gems. Everything you saw today is available on the website, and I hope that y'all check them out.